Hey guys, welcome back to Missy and Sky. Today I'm going to be rating all my fidgets, and I have upgraded a lot since then. So let's get started. So first one I have is this giant stress ball. If you hit it, it lights up. There you go. And it's very fuzzy. Not really fuzzy, but like a rubber fuzzy. It's really cool. I love this thing. But I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because it's pretty big. But yeah, I really love this. So 10 out of 10. Look at that. A party. Okay. Second thing. My basket of fidgets. So my basket of fidgets is gonna have Hedgehog puppet. I recommend. I use these as dimples because they're basically dimples. They're dimples, but with smaller bubbles. So I'd count them as poppet and dimple. So basically I have 6 dimples because dimples are my favorite type of fidget. So this is one of my dimples. Comment down below if you use hard shell poppets as dimples, because I do. But the next one, I'm going to do all my dimples first. This one, oh wait, 10 out of 10. Okay, this one is 10 out of 10 because dimples are my favorite. But this one's very old, so I'm probably going to rate it an 8 out of 10. Sometimes it's just kind of boring because I have kind of better dimples. Sorry, precious baby. Even though he was my first dimple, so I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I have a lot of dimples. Okay, this one you cannot spin. You would have to spin it on like the floor or something, or spin it like that. One of my friends has this, but hers is cheetah print, like patterned. This one's really good, but I don't play with it as often because it's kind of hard to press and it kind of hurts my phone whenever I try to do like something like. But 8 out of 10. Okay. This dimple is a 10 out of 10. This has been my dream dimple for a long time, and I love dimple digits, but now I want to get a dimple duo. So I was going to get a dimple digit first, and then I was going to get a dimple duo. Pink and blue together, like I like how they put them like right next to each other. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have a couple more. I have this green and blue dimple, simple dimple. Yeah, that came off, but 10 out of 10 because they're very portable. You can put them right in your pocket, and yeah. Okay, I have one more. This one, I have 6 dimples. Okay, it's my camo fidget spinner dimple. 10 out of 10. Yeah, it's really cute. I love this one. This one's like one of my favorites. So yeah, 10 out of 10. So we have all of my dimples covered. So now let's move on to just ordinary stuff. So I have my flippy octopus. I don't really get mad that easily, but I know what I love. This one. This one's so cute, and it's a plushie, so you can like sleep with it, and it's really cute. So yeah. Tell me that you're mad without saying that you're mad. Literally, this is what tells people, like, you know how you're like, You flip it and you know that they're mad. So yeah. Puzzle ball. 10 out of 10. But it's kind of boring, so 5 out of 10. I know it's kind of low, but 0 out of 10. Do not recommend. Like, you're probably going to get them in every fidget pack that you get or buy. But these, like, they're good for, like, when you're mad, but they hurt, kind of. They hurt your nails. They're really hard. Okay, this mini poppet is so cute. So cute. Come on, giddy up. Here. Giddy up. Okay. 3 moochies. 3 cat moochies. Okay. Phineas. Ferb. Pat. What's his name? Perry. Phineas. Phineas. Ferb. Patty. Perry. Okay. Perry. Ferb. And Phineas. Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. I love mochis. They're portable and they're really good to use. Okay, I have my marble mash. I love marble mash because they're indestructible. Like, very indestructible. Like, I saw this off Miss Bench. So basically, you take your marble, you like try to like pull all the things out of the way so I can just like literally just pop out. So let me see if I can pop it out without breaking it. There you go. And then if you want it closed, you do it like this, and then you squeeze it like this. And then once you want to get it back in, make a hole with like a pen or a pencil, and then you can put the marble back in. If you only have your... Excuse me, I'm trying to talk over here. Okay. It's fine if you only have your nails, because just try to dig in with your nails. Like I'm trying to do right now because I'm too lazy to go to the pencil. Oh, whatever. We'll fix it in a minute. But look how pretty the marble is. I already have one of those. Like, I have a bunch of those. Okay. I have 2 of these pieces. 6 out of 10 because they're really hard to get and stay in one place because they fall to the other side. And it's very annoying. So let's see what else is here. Ooh. Love this Jessica life. And it's smashed up Orbeez. Look. Smash Orbeez. Smash Orbeez. I don't smashed. Okay. So there we go. Perfect. Fashionista. Okay, there we go. And then we have, I want to show you all these. Okay, so I have these these foam slimes, but they're all rippy. That one's rippy. Because I haven't played with them in like 1,000 days. So they're probably like very rippy. I'm going to have to throw these away. See how good let's see how good the green one is. Nope, not good. I'm gonna go throw them away now. Right. Oh, other way. They used to be a 10 out of 10, but now they're a 0 out of 10. Okay, that was funny. This one is not normal. I don't play with it all the time, and it kind of gets boring after a while. So, 8 out of 10. So yeah, 8 out of 10. It's boring. Okay. Ooh, let's move on to monkey noodles. I so many monkey noodles. Where's my other monkey noodle? Here's it. Okay. I have a bunch of monkey noodles. I have this big, fat, chunky one. I also have a thin one. And then I have these colored thin ones. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 monkey noodles. So yeah. Fun. Very fun. Let's move on. I have one thing that's very fun. Ramen noodles. I don't have all the colors. I have green, blue, and pink. And they're ramen noodles. They're so cool. I love ramen noodles. And if your mom's worried, tell them that each color is attached together. Watch this. You ready? Zoom. And they're all stuck together. Just like that. All of them. They might come off a little bit though. And they're beautiful. So yeah. They're basically in the monkey noodle family. My mom hates these, but I think they're 10 out of 10 because I love popping them and they're very fancy. Show me your expensive nails. Show me your most expensive nails. The nails you painted the most. The nails you painted the most. The nails you painted the most. So yeah. I love these, but my mom's in here right now, so I can't pop them. And I would get grounded if I do play with them in here. So, yeah. And my door has to be shut when I play with them. Let's move. Move. Okay, never mind. 2 slinkies for right now. I don't know where my other one is. I don't really like slinkies. 3 out of 10. Oh, 10 out of 10. Monkey Noodles, 10 out of 10. Phineas and Ferb, whatever his name is, 10 out of 10. Oof. 10 out of 10. Can you guess what it is? It was a snapper, a rainbow snapper. 10 out of 9 out of 10. Kind of gets annoying. Sometimes it gets annoying. So yeah, it's an 8 out of 10. Okay. Try to guess what the next one is. You already saw it. Oh, found my other Slinky. This one's so quiet. I think I have to like break it in or something. Because I got this from my fidget pack. So well, and then this one's my really one I like to. It's from another wacky track, but I love doing this. So yeah, cool. This one is a one-sided cube, one like thin cube, and it's like, I guess it's fun. I don't know if it is or not, but I guess 1 out of 10. I don't play with these a lot. Ooh, snakes. 0 out of 10. Because I don't play with them a lot, and I don't really want to. I never want to. Infinity Cube, mine is kind of hard. So probably 7 out of 10. I mean, it's good, but you can't really use it with one hand. It's kind of hard to use it with one hand. But then you have to like use your other hand to be like, wow. Kind of hurts this side. Lippy Octopus, 10 out of 10. Lippy Octopus. Okay. And I really like it. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna try to make this whole real quick. Yeah, this color changes. It doesn't really color change, it glow in the dark. It glows in the dark. It's just I traded it to one of my friends. She kind of put like sand and stuff in it.
Remember, when storms come in, we're ready if the power goes out. East Mississippi Electric Power Association is your local custom energy cooperative.
Yeah. And it's kind of, she put lotion. And she put like sand art stuff in it. But it's very good, and it still glows in the dark.
We also make traditional two-sided beds. If you're looking for maximum life out of a new bed, why not look at a two-sided bed that can be turned over? Before you make an investment in bedding, come see us in Meridian on 26th Avenue and D Street.
Get registered now for the Meridian and East Mississippi's Freedom 5K Run, Walk, and Kids Fun Run. This special event will be held Saturday, December 11th, starting and finishing at Meridian's World War I
Really?
Monument.
Really good. I don't play with it a lot though, so probably 5 out of 10. It's like really sticky. Okay, I know which one I like better though. This mini crazy yarn thinking putty. It's Superstar. I want to show you this one. It's easier to open, and it just takes a minute. My hands are so
Try Hero risk-free for 30 days. Get free contactless delivery. Call Hero now for a special TV offer.
Ugh. Okay, so it's very, very shiny. Okay, let me show you. Very shiny. It's not as shiny on camera though. It looks like an orange on camera. It's not really an orange. It's like a gold brown. And it's very satisfying to play with. I recommend these mini ones, but not Spider-Man ship today. And it looks so shiny. So, yeah, 10 out of 10. And then I have a couple of these. Oh, I missed the mochi. Take them. And another mochi. This one's glow in the dark and it's a pig. I'm not obsessed with mochis. Oh my gosh. I'll show you this in a second. Oh my god. I'll show you in a second. I'll show you. But I got flirts. I got 2 mini flirts. This one smells like strawberries. And it's a putty. So it's not really that blessy. But it smells like strawberries and it smells like really good. You can make people think that they're farting, but they aren't. This one is blueberry. It's a really good one actually. Very good. And then they come with keychains, so I hit them together so they can be together. Pink and blue. And then I have 2 fidget spinners. Boom, boom. Wait, I have one more. And then I have an actual fidget spinner. Like the metal fidget spinners. Like the classics. And then I got these cheap ones. Yeah, okay. Now let me show you something that's very funny. Okay, so you know bike chains, right? So I have one mini blue one, right? And then I literally have the two of the same. two of the same exact, like, no joke, like, literally. What? But like, I don't like the mini ones because they always could like go on the other side, and I just don't like that. So yeah, well, 10 out of 10 for all of them. I got one Poppet recently. Okay, let me get these. These are kind of hard to grab. They don't really make a sound, but they do stick kind of. Well, not really. Try to guess what they are. I'm just showing you my Poppet. Guess what they are? They're spiky balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know where my other one is. Like, oh, here it is. Purple one. These are kind of satisfying, but I don't really play with them, and they're kind of boring to play with. So I just rate classic 5 out of 10. And then let's move on to puppets. So we have this one. Let me make some sounds for you. So it's on the quiet side right now. This is a Poppet game board. The loud side is now coming to you. In 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 10 out of 10. Okay, now it's 0. Okay, now let's rate my normal Poppets. Okay, let's rate this star. This star. Quiet side.
Silver, radio, ladies' wristwatch. True reason. You believe the guy on Mr. Finney's TV? What is the maybe 10
5 out of 10. Yeah, I don't really like this one. Okay, owl. That was the quiet side. 10 out of 10. I love this one so much. It's so cute. Let's try this Among Us one. Among Us. This one's the quiet side. Now this is the loud side. Classic. 9 out of 10. Now let's try this color changing one. This is the quiet side. Now let's try the loud side. 10 out of 10. I love how it's gonna color change. So yeah, we have a couple of more things, and yeah.
Did your boy have an argument with Mr. Finn?
5 out of 10. I don't play with this too much, and I don't really like it that much. Water timers. I don't like 4 out of 10. Like these, I don't like at all. Like, they're boring to me. Like, I don't really like how they look. I don't like, it's just boring watching them. Basically, yeah, it doesn't really distract me. Now let's try some of my stress balls. Okay. This one is cut off. The mesh got cut off because I cut it off. And it's like a slime thing. I don't really like it though that much, but I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10 though. This one is definitely a 10 out of 10. Color changing needles are like my favorite. Favorite. Like my favorite. I love the purple that it turns into. So yeah, that's all in my bin. So let's count how many fidgets I have. It's been like 30 minutes, golly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 40, 42, 43, 40, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I have 65 fidgets. That's very surprising to me that I have that many fidgets. So yeah, kind of weird, but make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so every time I post a new video, y'all can watch it. Bye guys.